This has nothing to do with graphing. We are going to now, given 2 points on our graph, we're going to find the equation. Or an equation. So in the problem, I will be giving you 2 points, one of which has an x-coordinate of 0. Has to, for our purposes in here. What that means is I have given you the y-intercept. I've given you the y-intercept, which I just told you is A. So if we're looking for the equation y equals a times b to the x, we know A. How are we going to find B? Does anybody know? Anybody have a suggestion? Yes, ma'am.
Are we going to plug those points in?
For?
X and Y.
Yes. We are going to plug the 115 in for x and y. Very similar to what we did when we had y equals mx plus b. And I gave you the point and the slope, and you'd put in the slope for m and the point for x and y, and solve for b. And we did it with quadratics too, where you'd put in the vertex, and you'd put in the point, and you'd solve for a. So we put in the y-intercept for a, and we put in the 115 for x and y. And we are going to solve for b, which is simple algebra. B equals 5. So a is 3, b is 5. So my equation is y equals a times b to the x. That's how it works. Simple enough? Yeah.
Can we actually combine both of those?
One more I want you to try before I give you your assignment. I want you to write an exponential function that goes through those two. This one's a little more difficult. Okay. Did you get that far?
Yeah.
Bailey's mistake is so common that I even have it on my iPad as the mistake of what not to do. That's the common mistake of what not to do. Okay? What you need to do is you need to realize that b to the negative 1, to get that b fixed, you have to move it to the basement. Remember negative exponents?
Oh, wait, no.
And so you either need to move that b to the other side, multiply that b over with the 2, and then divide by 2. You would get that b is a half. 1 divided by what is 2? 1 divided by a half is 2. Another thing you can do is the old Mr. Bill trick. When you have this, we have a variable on the bottom. You can just switch these two and get b equals 1/2. Yeah. Switching your extremes. It just works. All right. So you have b, you have a. So you get y equals 3 times 1/2 to the x.